I would say the third pillar in aerospace is the idea we've always been the leaders in autonomy. And you'd argue recently, last 10 years, sort of autonomous cars and many companies sort of doing software and hardware for autonomy are beginning to take the lead in some specific areas with lots of academic ideas. So we have to understand how in autonomy and robotics we are, and with not just scripted and sort of reactive type situations, but really planning and various other things. We think that robotics is going to play a huge role, and that autonomy of aerospace systems is going to be fundamental. So it's no surprise that a relatively young undergraduate program that we started in the department about 7 years ago or so is the only department in the country that has a requirement for undergraduates on autonomy, not just linear system feedback control.
I didn't know that.
Right?
That's interesting.
So that's because many of us in the faculty feel that this is where things are going. Airplanes have been able to land in cells for 30 years. We're going to be able to sort of do many more things, not just with airplanes, but with other things. And then I would say the idea of AI, ML, and new methods and how they apply to aerospace is kind of a cross-cutting discipline that could have an impact on many of these areas. We have to pay attention to it without the hype. So.
Yeah.